Stress can be a major challenge affecting our mental health, and farming has many factors that present this challenge, from weather to equipment failures, financial concerns, and of course, staffing shortages. A way to limit the potential for stress is to plan for these situations. Detail concrete actions that you can take through the season so you are able to manage your mental health. Power failures will inevitably happen. Having a generator and adequate fuel supply will allow you to continue your operation through those power failures. A plan for preventative maintenance of equipment will reduce the likelihood of failures occurring at that high point during the season. Having spare parts on hand so that you are able to replace and continue your operation. By having a plan in place that will help you to manage through potentially stressful situations, you will rest easy and perhaps even sleep better.